This module explains how to define the system properties in Integration Designer APEX. Let's begin. When building your project file in APEX using the Add Workspace window, once you have added all your rooms, controllers, source devices, and page sets, you may click Close to exit the window. Next, look at the system tree and ensure that all controllers, rooms, devices, and page sets have been added correctly. It is now time to configure the general system properties of the project. Click the File menu from the menu bar and select System Properties from the list of options. A tabbed window will appear. Let's review each tab and configure each option carefully. The Dealer Information tab is used to enter in all the relevant information about the RTI dealer, including contact information and notes. The Notes section can be used to document license codes, passwords, or any other relevant information about the system installation. The Client Information tab should be populated with as much information about the client, including contact information. You can list the builder, general contractor, and designer that was involved in the project. The Notes section can record any information relevant to the project. In the Zone tab, be sure to change the system zone code to something other than the default value of 0. This setting should be unique for every system to ensure there is no radio frequency interference from competing systems in the area. The network key directly below the system zone code has a default value which should be used in most cases. Tech support may recommend generation of another value in certain cases. It is recommended this not be changed unless advised by tech support, or if you're making a copy of an existing system file to use as a base for a new system. There is a section below the network key that allows you to configure Zigbee and RS-485 networks. If the installer has added multiple expansion processors that require their own Zigbee zone, they can design the Zigbee network here. You can create multiple Zigbee networks and assign underlying controllers to the processor responsible for communication. There will be a separate module on this feature. The RTI panel or virtual panel tab is used to enter in the IP or hostname information in the form of a DNS address to communicate with the system outside of the home on an RTI panel control device. The processor always listens on port 4110, but a different value can be entered here if you're forwarding a different external port on your firewall to port 4110 of the XP processor. Directly below that is the Security section that will allow you to generate a new system encryption key. This option should not be selected unless advised by tech support when troubleshooting communication issues. The Licenses section will allow you to add an RTI panel device license or licenses, allowing for control of iOS, Android, and external or additional virtual panel licenses. Once you obtain a license key, they can generate a license file that's attached to the processor. The license is tied to the MAC address of a processor in the system. Once all settings have been adjusted, click the OK button. All settings will be saved, and the System Properties window will close. Thank you for watching.